Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed our story from earlier. In this activity, we are going to review all of our animal friends and how they were feeling. And to help me, I have Mr. Potato Head. And we are going to build Mr. Potato Head based on our animal friends and how they were feeling. Do you remember our first animal that we met? Pink Flamingo. Do you remember how Pink Flamingo was feeling before we taught her our yoga pose? Yeah, she was scared, worried. I think she was nervous about being on our video. So at school, we talk about the zones of regulation. Our friend Flamingo here, remember how I said she was scared, worried? I would say that Flamingo falls into our yellow area and moving up to red. That area is really hard to focus and learn anything when you're feeling in those zones, the yellow and the red. So I would say Mr. Potato Head, he has two eyes and a nose. And look, he's got his listening ears on, but he's missing something. What's he missing? Yeah, his mouth. How do we know what Mr. Potato Head is feeling if we can't see his mouth? He's scared. Ah! Can we do that? Make that face. Ready? One, two, three. Ah! Fish. He looks so much better. Remember? Fish was buzzing around, moving way too fast. Yeah, really difficult to focus when your body's moving too fast. I would say that fish is still in that yellow zone. Well, I'm going to put a big old smile because if he's moving so fast and he's being silly, he's probably laughing. Do you remember what we did with fish to help him calm down? Yes, we practiced the tree pose. That was a great pose to calm our bodies down because we had to focus on balancing on one leg. The next one was bear. Remember, he was angry, mad. Can you make a mad face? Yeah. Well, I think he's so mad that he would like to yell. So I'm going to use this mouth again. Do you remember what color zone is angry or mad? Yeah, it's in the red zone. So we got to move our arrow up. red zone. And do you remember how we calmed Mr. Bear down? Yeah, we counted to 10. And he felt so much better. That's a great tool to have in your toolbox. Koala, remember? She has a smile on her face. What color zone is koala in? Yes, the green zone. That's the color that we try to regulate. But when our bodies are in the green zone, we can listen to our teachers. We can focus on what they are trying to teach us. So it's really important to learn our tools in order to be in the green zone. Let's whoosh right down to the green zone. Mr. Potato Head, since he's in the green zone, he's grinning. He's happy. And do you remember what we did with Koala? Yeah, we said, hello, son, and hello, friend, because saying hello makes people feel really good, and especially when you add a smile. So we talked about all the zones except for one. Let's see here. We talked about the red zone, the yellow zone, and the green zone, which is our favorite one because we're ready to learn. Uh-oh, there's one down here. The blue zone. You feel sad or tired or sick. That's when we're in the blue zone. And it's hard to learn whenever you're feeling in the blue zone. If you are tired, you need to wake your body up. So then maybe we need to run in place, or we need to jump around, put some music on, and dance. Now, if you're not feeling good, you may just need to lay down and rest. And when you're sad, maybe you just need to talk to a friend or your teachers about what's making you feel sad. Or maybe you could draw a picture. If I'm sad because I miss my family, I could draw them a picture and give it to them after school. That would be nice. And that would make me feel much better. Or maybe I just need a big hug. Let's give ourselves a big bear hug. Ready? Squeeze. That always makes me feel better. So guys, we have talked about all 4 colored zones: the red, the yellow, the green, and the blue. Today, I have a fun activity that you can do at home. All you need is a couple items. So the first thing you need is a toilet paper tube or a paper towel tube. And you'll want 4 of them because there are 4 zones of regulations. Then you'll need a marker so you can draw a face on your tube. And you will need some vinegar, some baking soda, and some food coloring. So I went ahead and I drew my faces on. This guy, look at his face. He looks sad. Can you make a sad face? Look, he's crying. He's got tears. So that's one of our tubes. This guy, woo, he's showing all his teeth. I think he's kind of being silly. So there's our silly guy. And then, this one, wow, look at his eyebrows. And he's got a mad face. Can you make a mad face? All right. And then we have one more tube. And we're going to make a smiley face. So I need 2 eyes and a smile, just like that. Now that we have all of our faces on our tubes, the next thing you'll want to do is get your baking soda and a measuring spoon. And we're going to put some baking soda in each tube. So the next thing you're going to need is some food coloring. I'm going to use some blue for our sad face. Put a couple drops in there. And then our next face is our silly face. So we're going to use yellow. And then our third tube, he's got our angry face, so we're going to use red. And then our last tube is green, our happy face. All right, and then our last step is to pour some vinegar in our measuring cup. And you'll want to use some white vinegar. Okay, now we're going to pour our vinegar into our tube and let's see what happens. First tube is our sad tube. Whoa, look at that. That's our blue zone. All right, let's see what the next tube is. Oh, that's our yellow zone. And our red zone. And last but not least, our zone that we really want to try to get to, so we are ready to learn, is our green zone. Whoa, look at all those colors. So this is something fun that you can do at home with your family. All right, guys, I've had a blast hanging out with you. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.